Good morning. Today we are going to discuss about fertilization events. Even in last class, what we discussed last class, fertilization events before pre-fertilization events are discussed. Generally in sexual reproduction, there are three important events are there. Pre-fertilization events, fertilization events, post-fertilization events. Pre-fertilization events main concepts gametogenesis, gametes transfer. In last class, we discussed cell division involved in during formation of gametes, how gametes, male gametes are transferred to the female gamete for fertilization. That concepts had been discussed in last class. Now come to second important event, fertilization event. Fertilization event means the events which are takes place in fertilization is called fertilization events. Mainly here, male and female gametes fuse together then form zygote. Male and female gamete fuse together then form zygote. That's called fertilization. Also called syngamy. Syngamy. Syngamy or fertilization. Results zygote. Haploid male gamete, haploid female gamete. Haploid male gamete to haploid female gamete to fuse together then diploid zygote. That's called fertilization or syngamy. Syngamy. Some organisms without fertilization they may chance to develop. Called parthenogenesis. Parthenocarpy is different, but parthenogenesis is different. The ovary directly develop into fruit without fertilization called parthenocarpy. Here the female gamete undergoes directly develop into new organism. The female gamete directly develop into new organism is called parthenogenesis. Parthenogenesis different, parthenocarpy is different. Parthenogenesis, the female gamete without fertilization directly develop into new individual called parthenogenesis. Example, some honeybees, male honeybees, drones, rotifers, some lizards, turkey birds, example for this parthenogenesis. Then fertilization, mainly two important fertilization here, external fertilization and internal fertilization. External fertilization means what sir? External fertilization means the fertilization takes place in outside the female body. Outside the body is external fertilization. Mostly aquatic organisms show that external fertilization. Aquatic organism, for example algae, external fertilization only, mainly algae. Then internal fertilization means what sir? Internal fertilization means the fertilization takes place in inside the body, inside female body of an organism, called internal fertilization. This is nothing but terrestrial organism majority. So human beings, internal fertilization. Bryophytes, internal fertilization. Pteridophytes, internal fertilization. Angiosperms, internal fertilization. Gymnosperms, internal fertilization. Important event. Question. What are the difference between external and internal fertilization? 2 mark question. Write the example for them. Important. And one more important, where the external fertilization means fertilization takes place through the medium, large number of male and female gametes. I repeat the point. Large number of male and female gametes are produced here. Not only male gametes, even female gametes also produced in large number. Example, algae. In earlier classes, male gametes which are transferred by the water, they are produced in large number. But female gamete is one. Algae, bryophyte, pteridophytes. These are all are water is a medium to transfer the male gametes. But algae is a external fertilization. But bryophyte to pteridophyte is internal fertilization. But what is the common point? Common point in algae, bryo and pteridophyte is their male gametes are transferred by water. What is the difference? Algae external fertilization, Bryo and pteridophytes are internal fertilization. Very, very, very important point, need point. Internal fertilization. So external fertilization, large number of male and female gametes are produced. Large number of male and female gametes, kaiku, they may chance to damage and destroy from the predators' chances. That's why large number of male and female gametes. So offsprings also produced in large number. Fishes, frog, algae, this external fertilization. But Spirogyra algae is show the internal fertilization. I'll share the document also. Through the document also I'm going to explain now. See, 1 second. Fertilization. Just now I said na. So fusion of male and female gamete, then called it is a fertilization, also called syngamy. Even honeybees right side column you can see that the female gamete directly develop into new individual without fertilization. That's called parthenogenesis. Example, honeybees, generally honeybees only. Honeybees, rotifers, some lizards, turkey birds, these are all show the parthenogenesis process. Question theory also, define parthenogenesis and give the example. 2 mark question. Types of fertilization. External, just now I said na, syngamy or fertilization takes place in outside the body, means external medium, that means water. So zygote is formed in outside the body. So example, most aquatic organism, just now I said, many algae, bony fishes, amphibians example. Even right side column also you observe, frog, external fertilization, they release the gametes like that, large number of male and female gametes. So such organisms show synchrony between the sexes and release a large number of gametes, means male gamete to female gamete both are released in large number, that in external fertilization. Even fishes also, male fishes, female fishes. Then disadvantage, what is the big, there is a big disadvantage in external fertilization. What is the big disadvantage? Offsprings are extremely vulnerable to predators, threatening their survival up to adulthood. Means where they are going, means zygote is formed outside. So zygote is outside, zygote develop into adult organism. That is a very big dangerous from the vulnerable to the predators. Threat, big threat also there. When means mature into adult organism. So that is a big disadvantage in external fertilization. Second, internal fertilization. What's internal fertilization here? Syngamy or fertilization takes place in inside the body of an organism. That is internal fertilization. For example, terrestrial organism, fungi, animals, reptiles, birds, mammals, plants, bryophyte, pteridophyte, gymnosperm, angiosperm. These are also the internal fertilization. Where internal fertilization shows organism, only male gametes are produced in large number, but female gametes are produced in less in number, only one. Large number of sperms are produced. Number of eggs is very low, means only one only. So in internal fertilization, male gametes are motile, female gamete is non-motile exactly. So non-motile egg is present in inside the female body. The male gametes are motile. So male gametes are motile, means by show the movement, then reach to the female gamete, egg, then fuse together. That is nothing but internal fertilization. Internal fertilization organisms are terrestrial organism. Example, fungi, animals, reptiles, birds, mammals. Internal fertilization plants are bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and angiosperms. Even seed plants, I told already, seed plants, male non-motile, male gametes also non-motile, female gametes also non-motile. So then male gametes how reach to the females are in seed plants? It is transferred by the pollen tube. So pollen and carry the male gametes. When pollen and reach to the stigma, then germinate and develop the pollen tube. So through the pollen tube only the male gametes reach to the female gamete. Where in a seed producing plants. This is a important one of internal fertilization. So types of fertilization 2, external fertilization and internal fertilization. Question, difference between external and internal fertilization. Give the example. Parthenogenesis, give the example. Which of the following is add one? A. algae, B, bryophyte, C, pteridophyte, D, angiosperms, according to fertilization. Answer A. A is external fertilization, remaining 3 are internal fertilization. You have any doubts, you may chance to ask now. Thank you. Next class we will discuss post fertilization events.